This conference will now be recorded.
So we are trying to bring these similar properties, right? So when you select um, based on price, we are going to bring similar properties. Okay, so how the price similar properties we are bringing, we are going to bring here. So we are going to deal in the Apex controller, right? So here we fetch similar properties based on the price. So if I choose any property, say uh, some property here, then if you see the price, how the price of the property. Just select this and you see how the price ranges are. Price ranges are like this. Okay, price is not given here. Yeah, this is how the price is listed. So when I select any product, price is greater than, say, suppose the user chose Brattle Street product like this, and then we are going to bring the product um, if in this range, then it would be you don't find any product right within this range. So greater than this price and lesser than this price. So what we are going to do? We are going to subtract. I mean the product close to this price. The product close to the higher value, close to the lower value, which means we are going to uh, subtract another uh, say a 10 million value from this and again 10 million from this. So if you see if it is 10 million, then it's going to be 35 and here it's going to be sorry uh, 55 and here it's going to be 35. You got me? So when user chose 450,000 price product, then we are going to bring the product close to this price. Okay. So, I think it should be another way, right? 35 and 55. Yeah, this way. Yeah. So in Apex controller, we're going to include the condition here. Subtract like this. we'll put a system.debug over here. Now, after giving it criteria, I think controller is not being called, isn't it? The controller is not being invoked. Um, get similar properties. Um, from here we okay. You got it. What is the? I think NQ action is not done. Yeah, we are okay. We can, supposed to be given like this, right? Okay. Was updated controller. Black. We got rec ID, right? I think event is not fired. uh, or a handler select test object dot select handler the controller is, it seems to be not hard. Get params, get properties, set params. Who is updated? Okay, you got it. The problem is, the RID is given incorrectly. Okay, the ID is given incorrectly. LDS service and LDS service, right? Okay, hope it will work now. Was updated and param is not defined. Similar properties. Okay. Okay. Action dot set params. Action dot set params, right? So okay, I think still controller is okay. Controller display out of see here. Put a log and turn to dereference null. Let me null thing over here. Price okay, price is not being uh, passed, isn't it? Property maybe the typo might be the reason. Price double underscore C. Price double underscore C. Capital P. Let's see. you're able to get the values, I just sorry, yeah, I will just comment out third, check it out. I think bed condition here, because you cannot find the property more than uh, the beds what we passed, right? That's not supposed to be added here. Added for different purpose. The same method you are going to use for uh, different purpose later. So I included beds here. But for now, we need only price and bring the properties which is not equal to the current property. That's it. So I hope it will work now. It seems the record is looks populating here. Okay, and but not appearing over there. Uh, can you find out the issue here? I'm able to get the data here, I'm sure. But why I'm unable to bring the records from similar properties? What is the issue here? Can you locate? Can you locate the issue here? This is an array, right? We got the data, You see here, uh, it's being expanded, right? So something is being resolved. But why this prop is not able to resolve it? Prop dot thumbnail, prop dot address. Why it is not working? Anybody? No, no, it is set actually. Only for attribute you'll use value property, value provider. Only for attributes you'll use value provider, not for uh, the looping variable. Okay. Fine. You got me what I'm saying here? Only for attributes you will use. This is not attribute, right? This is a local variable, looping variable. You don't use v here. Value provided you don't use. Should not use. Okay, value provided for local. Okay, we have to work on this size. Um, they already given the class here. I think this was a height and width here given. Okay, and or else we can just we can also take the project summary. Uh, yeah, this same. Interesting, right? Maybe would have add the price also here. Uh, I'm not sure whether in actual application they added price. Let me check in an actual application. I think price is included. Price also you can include over here everywhere. Okay, so let's see how to include the price. Okay, like this. display in this format. Or else this one, last. Right, you must include here. Okay, and okay, similar same thing. Supposed to add over here, and these beds and baths, right? That should also appear over here and as well as okay. So mm, it's going to be another next to the address. We will include this. And price also should add everywhere. Here, everywhere. Right. Uh, yeah, we'll have to add here. Okay. Oh, right. For that, yeah, sorry, it's already been added, right? Only the currency needs to be added. Why the price is we get this value from property tile list, right? Tile list component. So from tile list we pass this and okay, property controller, um, do init, and the method is get properties. Get properties doesn't include the price, right? Not included. Okay. Seems repeated. We have to remove this. Property summary is not working, right? You can get rid of this 2 digit and we can remove this, and property summary is not working. Uh, what happened? Okay. Right. And so everywhere that it must be removed. Right. It will, okay, it was removed here and removed over here. Yeah, it is removed here and as well as tile. Both the places. So here tile component. Okay, done now. So price is 790,000, right? And it's close to that price. And 850,000 and close to that price. Okay, right. Next is we need to work on the two things we need to work on. One is navigating from uh, divide the components maximum 8 component we display here in one page. So if you here we get 18 properties, right? So 18, then 8 plus 8, 16, and the last page will display only two components. Pardon me? So maximum component would like to display here is 8. So this separate component uh, is going to be included in the property tile list. So we have already two components here, right? Property tile list and property tile. Property summary, similar properties, and a property market days, something days on market, property days on market. So there are 5 components you created. Okay, one outer component 1, side 2, and 3, 4, 5. So one more component. So this component is going to have 3 different attributes. One to display the total number of records, nothing but the property, and divided by total number by maximum number of components. How many pages you get. Uh, that math function, right? Using math function, you'll get the you divide and you how many times you divide. So that's going to be your total number of pages. Okay, and always it's going to be by default it's the initially it's going to be 1, and if when user click on the symbol, this arrow, it's just next page, right? So in the next page, then we get uh, the offset value. We get the offset uh, value and pass to the controller and get the value from the controller and display it again. So we just out of total properties, we just use the offset. Okay, so total properties and we limit and offset we'll use here to get the data accordingly from the database. Okay, so when I select this, we need to pass this value. The total, the page size, offset value I have to pass to the controller. So from here, we need to pass the value to the property tile list. Okay, property tile list is a component bring these collections of records, right? So from this component, we need to initiate an event, fire an event, and that event would be handled by the method. We'll see how to do that application event. Okay, so we need to include this component first. And for a optimized way, you can declare all these variables in a separate class. That's how they also introduced. So we also directly go into that creating a class with the variable, and we'll see how to include the offset in the controller side. Okay, and we'll see. So shall we start from here? We'll create this component. Okay, we'll create this component. I name the component as Page navigation. It's a button icon. Okay. Left. Then we have a text properties, and there is a dot and page. Then again, uh, in where we are now, and then total number of pages value here. Okay. So all this is going to be an attribute. Total number of pages and uh, total number of properties and pages and the page. Which page? Okay, first let's display this to I don't include this now. Okay, this component must be included over here. Uh, the property page navigation must be included with page tile list. Yeah. over here, right? Here. So it should be centered. It's all we need to work on the CSS. Correct. The first thing, all these it should be in this side by side. The division should be side by side. Okay. Uh, the reason should be within this car, not outside the car. Within this car. Over here. Okay. Remember, we use this division, nested division, to bring this days on market component, right? The days on market component. How to bring this side by side by using nested division. Similar way, right? So we'll see. I hope it work. Salesforce or so styling is going to apply for whole division. Okay. And it should be it should be centered. Yes. Okay, we somehow got. So next is we need to get the total number of properties. Total number of properties. So we'll have attribute here. The attributes. and one to have the total pages, isn't it? No, total property. Yeah, total pages also one of the pages, and then current page. So total pages would be here, and this is your current page, and total pages. So when you are going to get this total pages, on click of this previous page, we are going to find the event. We are going to find the event. The event is going to be a application event. Okay, the event is going to be an application event. Right, and come here. Uh, the application event need not be registered, but here we are registering a reason. We are going to use it in different format. I'll show you once I return this. Property page navigation event. I think it's a very big name. I would have reduced this name. Property page navigation event. Okay. And one for this, and another for next page. Okay. And so we're going to add on click function here, right? On click, and handle previous page. Similarly, we're going to add over here handle next page, right? And in the handle previous page, we're going to say component so over here, get the event and fire it. and then we fire it. Right, we fire this. Okay, and we have included this in the style list, right? So here we are going to call a function. I'm going to call a function in the JS controller. Okay, so you know how to call a function over here, how to call the method, how to fire the event when when next page is selected. um, so here we register the event, right? Register the event on click handle next page. 1 minute. On previous page, on page previous. You know this concept. When you handle the event here, this is how you call the handle the event in the component as a component attribute, because we included here, right? Page previous and page next. So how do you handle this? We fire here on click of this function. We fire the event. Okay, we fire the event over here, uh, over here, right? This event you are firing. So how to handle this? We handle in the component value included with the same name, and you should have a function uh, prefix with on keyword. Okay, so this how you are going to handle it. We are also going to include another function for on page next. Okay, next, and over here going to be another. Okay, next, on click of this, here on click handle previous page. And the previous page. C dot. C dot. Okay. We'll wind up just 5 minutes. Continue tomorrow. Yes. Okay. You got it? What I did here? You created a component, application component, right? And we registered here. 2 events are registered. For the same event, 2 events are registered. For the same event file, 2 events are registered. On click of this, we fire the event. And now do you handle this? Where you include the component, you refer that event name equal to suffix with prefix with on keyword and the method name. So I mean the whole thing is a method name, but it is how you suffix prefix. The function when you handle the application event, then you will have a keyword on prefix your method. You got me? So you just call that method, and as of now, we're able to get this alert. Okay. So what next? Supposed to you have to do? You may increase the page number, isn't it? And the page number will increase, and then you pass the page number offset to the controller and get the property list. So in your controller, you would have a offset and limit function. So you get the property, first 8 property in the beginning, and next whatever the 8 properties you would fetch based on the offset and limit value. So that you are going to pass the value from on previous or on next. We continue tomorrow. Okay, fine. Able to follow this? So go through this. Try to implement right away, parallel, so that we'll able to see one more component will create quickly with this knowledge, right? You'll able to create one more component with less time. We'll see how to proceed. Tomorrow we'll connect. Hope this is you're finding useful, right? You're finding able to follow this. Are you able to do this? Have you implemented already? Have you tried this? Hmm? I'm talking to you only, both of you. Just 2%, right? Can you answer?